is boiling. I just feel disgusted. So disgusted with cheese and crackers, with ham. This is actually like salami and sausage. That YouTubers have to be so friggin' fake, okay? I had no idea when I decided to be a YouTuber. I didn't know it would be a bunch of fake people. I have had it up to here with a few of them. Had it up to here with the rumors that they're spreading. And on top of that, the sneaky, disgusting things that I have so much proof on my phone. She knows exactly who she is. Girl, no. You know who you are. I got my rattle right here. About to rattle up some. I have had sick of it. Spray.
Ah, the ghetto. The ghetto.
Rumors about me, taking me out of context, twisting the situation, twisting my words, flat out lying to make me look like a crazy person. Yeah, I know I have problems. I know when I make mistakes. I usually talk about them openly in my mukbangs. Well, it is. Let's add guacamole. Oh, let me use what's already been opened. We opened this one yesterday. All right, twist it off the top. And here we go. Oh, plop, plop, plop. And I have Mr. Noodle. Oh, he's like, I'm very comfortable on your shoulder. So you guys, welcome to today's eating show. Today is all about them onion rings. I have 200. You can start counting. 200 onion rings right here. Mmm. I feel like Mommy Tang over here. When I went to her house, she always had like a mirror in her body. I could see everything she was doing. She was always like wiping stuff off her face. She even said in her videos, you should take big bites because you're so big. What are y'all drinking with me today? Huh. But I'm one of those people that overdoes things, so I get in the not addiction, but routine, not a routine, but a cycle. It's just like a never-ending mocha. I have a bite of cheese. I'm like, give me more till I'm head on the floor. And then, my body is saying, give me the cheese. Give me the cheese. Like, be like, okay, I have $3 or $4 a day for my food. I used to eat just plantains. Buy 5 plantains for $1 and just eat that, you know, just save money. You have to, I don't want no plastic in my cheese. I mean, I'm just like wiped out. I'm just like, this is too much. You know, that's why I'm trying to say like 20 minutes every other day on the bus. You know, something just a little bit. Like, it has to be fun. You have to enjoy what you're doing. If you want to be up and exercising, you have to enjoy it. Like I said, if you love running and you love doing marathons, that's what's important. You have to enjoy it. Yeah, don't force yourself to. Yes! There's a fly. chili pepper paste. I want to see you, people can't even stomach the fucking Korean fire noodles, let alone put it in their eyeballs. How dare you call me dramatic? Really? You people make me fucking sick. Get the fuck out of here. How dare you call me dramatic? How dare you call me dramatic? I want to see you add that to your goddamn fucking morning routine. You brush your teeth, you go to your, you get the shit out your coochie, and you take a damn shower, and then you add some Korean fire noodles, boiling, scalding hot water in your eyes, and then you can decide if you call me dramatic. You found someone else? Do you know how I know? Because Jason sent me the DM on my Instagram and it had my dick pic. I am so sick and tired of people acting like they know more information about my life than I already know about my life.